August has arrived, and if you guys already knew by the title, the new Bukit Panjang LRT trains, known as C801 Bravo, is now in full swing. For many months, these trains had gone through a lot of tests, and it had finally proved well. At first, we thought these trains had to be scrapped due to some malfunctionings, but no! These trains are now in full success and are right now going to be in full swing around the Bukit Panjang LRT line. So, as of August 1, these trains are now slowly rolling out of their depots after severe testings. And these trains now are getting ready to show themselves to the members of the public and to the residents of Bukit Panjang in different areas around the Bukit Panjang LRT loop. With these trains now on the go, they will likely to replace the first generation C801 LRT trains built since 1999 by AdTranz, now Bombardier and now Alstom. So, I hope you guys are gonna enjoy and willing to board the train, as time will surely come with new fleets coming in. This is another moment in history that Singapore's LRT system will be coming up stronger than ever again. So let's go.
Good to see you, Bernard.
Doors closing. Next station, Pattaya. 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 Doors closing. Next station, Pending. pending.
You thought it's gonna run out of service.
Yeah,
But thank God I made it so far.
Next station, Bukit.
Yeah, first time ever in the LRT in Singapore's history.
Station parking nice. Thank God this compared to the service.
Yeah.
This is the LRT
So this is the first time taking this new Bukit Panjang LRT train and just looking at
Doors
this one.
closing.
Oh, but the door's still closed.
Yeah, the door is still closes fast.
Next station, Fajar.
And what's very interestingly about this train is it gives a bit of the Sengkang Punggol LRT vibes in terms of the motor itself.
But the thing that is different is that it's the LCD thing on it.
Yeah, definitely. I'm also hoping for the new Sengkang Punggol LRT train to have like these as well.
I don't think it's 100%. Why not?
But I'm pretty sure the Sengkang Punggol LRT will almost be the same, but it's just got two-car configuration.
This is also two-car.
Yeah, definitely. And interestingly, these windows on these trains still have the smart technology. Yep, if you look at that, it's to protect us from invading the privacy of the residential homes right there.
C801 also. And the C801 as well.
Yes, so was the second generation one.
Quite a lot. Then you have to see the front.
Yeah, definitely. The seats, however, in this train, as you can tell, it's, well, it almost kind of feel the same after all. "10 out of 10, by the way, this train.
I'm giving 10 out of 10 as well.
Yeah, definitely. And there's the first generation train up there.
New meets old as the C801.
Fajar.
Yep, new meets old. This train will somewhat retire sooner than expected.
And the diagnostic system is also brand new. So
Yeah, definitely. Yeah.
Fajar.
alright, that's it for this C801.
And I have to say, the train's aircon is pretty good, especially for today's debut. Well, oh, far away you can see there's a second gen train there.
Oh yeah, you know what rider code is? The mini alien. The mini R151. The mini alien.
Yeah, because this train is built from the same manufacturing plant in where, yeah, it's where also R151 is built.
Bukit Panjang. Change
Alright.
at the next station for the downtown line.
Sounds kind of different though.
Take it all the way to Boston.
Yeah, I'm gonna arrive here for some moment. All the enthusiasts are right there.
Oh, give me that funding. So
Yeah, I'm alighting here. Anyway, thanks meeting with you.
Bukit Panjang.
Nice meeting with you.
nice meeting you.
Yeah, thanks.
Maybe just moving right now.
Yeah. See ya.
Doors closing. Next station,
So that was the brief ride on Bukit Panjang LRT's new C801 Bravo. And these trains are expected, all of the units of these trains like this that we boarded on today are to be entering debut by the end of this year. And these trains are to be the successor to the C801 first generation trains that had been running on this LRT line for many years. But now that these new LRT trains on the Bukit Panjang LRT are now still undergoing testing, but for sure these trains are gonna be on full scale operation. So with that, thank you to SMRT and LTA for this very big effort to keep these trains in good condition and in full operation condition. But with that, that's it for today, and I hope you guys did enjoy so much of the C801 Bravo. So with that, thank you guys for watching, and don't forget to subscribe, hit the bell for something new into this channel. But with that, bye for now. So here it is, ladies and gentlemen, the new Bukit Panjang LRT train. And the livery itself, it looked nice.